In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can update Roblox on a PC or laptop. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there's two ways to do this. The first way is just uninstalling and reinstalling. It's probably the easiest method by far. To uninstall, you could literally just type in add or remove, and then it's going to pop up with a page that looks like this. Hit search for apps and type in Roblox, and just find that Roblox player on here. Click the three dots and then hit uninstall. Then you could just go back to roblox.com and reinstall it. But that being said, the second method is if you do have it through the Microsoft Store. If you back out and go to the bottom, you could search for Microsoft Store just like so, hit enter, and then from here, once it does load, go ahead and search specifically for Roblox and then hit enter again. When you select Roblox Windows, in this section where it says install for me, it's going to say update. You'd simply just click update and wait for it to finish, and Roblox will be fully updated. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Those are two ways to guarantee that your Roblox is going to be updated. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.